Now we're going to talk about libraries and frameworks in JavaScript. JavaScript libraries and frameworks are powerful tools that provide pre-written code and functionalities to help us build web applications more efficiently. They're widely used in the industry and can significantly enhance our development workflow. Today, we'll explore the concepts of libraries and frameworks, discuss their advantages, and take a closer look at popular examples like React, Angular, and Vue.js. Now, before we dive into the code, let's quickly understand what libraries and frameworks are and why they're essential for JavaScript development. JavaScript JavaScript libraries are collections of pre-written code that provide specific functionalities, making it easier to achieve common tasks in web development. On the other hand, frameworks are more comprehensive tools that provide structured approach to building applications. They include features like routing, data management, and component architecture. By utilizing libraries and frameworks, we can save time, reduce code complexity, and enhance code reusability. Our first example is React, a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. React uses a component-based approach to create reusable UI elements. Let's take a look at a simple React component. In this code snippet, we define a React component called greeting. It extends the React component class and has a render method that returns JSX, a syntax extension for JavaScript. We then use React DOM.render to render our greeting component inside the HTML element with the ID root. React takes care of efficiently updating the UI when the component's state changes. Now, in order to use React, you'll have to install the module and have the specific file set up. Our next example is Angular, which is a powerful JavaScript framework maintained by Google. Angular provides a complete solution for building complex web applications. Let's see how an Angular component is structured. In this code snippet, we import the component decorator from the Angular core module. We then define an Angular component called greeting component and use the decorator to specify its selector and template. The template contains HTML markup, and Angular takes care of rendering and updating the component in the application. Our final example is Vue.js, a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. Vue.js offers simplicity and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for both small and large projects. Let's explore a basic Vue.js component. In this code snippet, we use Vue.component to define a component called greeting. The component's template contains HTML markup. We then create a new Vue instance and provide the L property to specify the element that Vue.js will control, in this case, the element with the ID app. Vue.js handles rendering and the component and managing its state. And that concludes our exploration of JavaScript libraries and frameworks. We covered the basics of React, Angular, and Vue, but remember, there are many more libraries and frameworks that are available to cater to various project requirements. By incorporating these tools in your workflow, you can benefit from code reusability, increase productivity, and enhance application development.